Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to stream on YouTube Live using vMix. Let's begin. First, I'll open my vMix software. This is the interface. Now, in the input section, we need to add a source. Click on it. Here you can add a camera, videos, or any media source. But for this tutorial, I'm going to add my display capture. To do this, I'll click on Desktop Capture. Then, under Local Desktop, select Display 1 and click OK. Now, as you can see, my display is visible in vMix. Next, click on the streaming settings icon. Here you'll see numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, which means you can stream to multiple platforms at once. For now, I'll select 1, and in the destination dropdown, select YouTube Live. Now we need to enter the stream key. To get it, I'll open YouTube. Make sure you're logged into your account. On the homepage, click on the Create icon, and then select Go Live. Now you'll see two options: Stream Now, which lets you go live instantly, and Stream Later, where you can schedule your stream for a later time. I'll select Start to go live immediately. Now, you have to pick your streaming method. There are two options: built-in camera or streaming software. Since we're using vMix, I'll select streaming software. If your video is made for kids, click on the first option. If not, click on the second option, and then click Save. This will take you to the YouTube Live control room. Here, you'll see the top chat section. If you want to see live chat, you can switch to that as well. Click on the Edit button to set up your stream details. You can enter a title and description and upload a thumbnail. Once you're done, click Save. Now, scroll down to find your stream key and copy it. Go back to vMix, paste the stream key, and then either save and close or start streaming immediately by clicking Start One. I'll save and close for now. Now, go back to YouTube and you'll see a Connecting Streaming Software message. Once it's connected, it will turn green. In the Stream Health section, you can monitor your connection status. Now, to start the live stream, simply go to vMix and click on the Stream button, and that's it. Your stream is now live on YouTube. So this is how you can stream live on YouTube using vMix. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.